Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can remove emoji from photo without Photoshop. So the application to be an alternative, you can use the Instagram application. Open your Instagram application and then just swipe your screen into the right side, so you will get an access into the Instagram story, and then just tap into this photo library and just pick the picture that you want to edit that contain the emoji on it. Now tap into this three small dot and go click draw. Now you just need to pick this type of pen. Go click this to pick the color, adjusting into the nearest area with the emoji. Don't forget to adjusting the size of the brush and then start brushing all of the emoji on the picture. And now you're done. Now the emoji is gone. Tap done and download this picture. So that's for today's tutorial. Super easy and simple. Hopefully you understand. If you still have some questions, drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll let you see you for the next tutorial.